Jersey number 16, Kayago. And then jersey number 19, Palaganas. And then jersey number 6, Solomon. And jersey number 20, Guzman. And then jersey number 19, Saplan.
Patơ là. Dito na yun. Dora.
Okay, on Barangay Binalay, jersey number 7, Dilona. And then jersey number 30, Barbosa. Jersey number 8, Pokis. And jersey number 77, Cruzada. And jersey number 3, Mamarel. Okay, and then let's play the game. Start on the first quarter. Okay, Jumbo, Palaganas between jersey number 77. O, nagwala, mapupunta sa Barangay Binalay. Fires of 3. Dang, 3 fives. Solomon goes to jersey number 19, Saplan. Give it up on the Guzman. Have it, drop it. Ayan, nabitawan. Ayan, jersey number 3, Mamaril. Another for 3, Bandilana. No good. Saplan for the rebound. Kinukuyo. Ayan, inagawan ni Carzada. Carzada jumper. No good. Kayago. Pero may nasungkit na foul. Headed by jersey number 77. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 77. And then first team foul inside inbound. Solomon goes to Saplan. Saplan looking for receiver. Pass to Guzman. Headed by Palaganas. Araro. And there's a whistle. Another foul. Headed by jersey number 17. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 77. Carzada. Second team foul. And Palaganas from the 15-point line. Per shot, yes. And then second two, headed by jersey number 19, Palaganas. Short. Rebound by jersey number 30. Ayan, siya na ang baba. And then jersey number 8 for 3 points. Saplan in down, give it up on the Guzman, back to Saplan. Saplan orchestrating the play at buntik pang mabitawan. Ayan, kinukulit pa rin ni Dinola. Ayan, Saplan, bigay, and then steal. Pass break from Dilana. Up and away. Malakas. And then Mamaril, have a traffic, penetrate. Not good. Nakapik ulit. Napulot. Ayan, si Kayago. At ibinigay na. Palaganas ngayon, sasakasa. Yes, sir. On Palaganas. And ball on jersey number 13.
Dalawa yung magkapatid, di ba? Paralagi. Sila nagkano yun, no? Kasama.
At ayan, Dilona. Okay, 10 months time out. Walang uniform daw yung isa.
Anak niya ano yun, yung poso.
Ito. Score po natin 6-3. Yan. The Guzman, first technical through, Supply. Malas to. Okay. And back by jersey number 77. Give it up. Ayan, kinukulit ni Saplan. Dilona. Sasalaksak. Pasa sa labas. Jumper. Nugget. Rebound by Kayago. At bigay na ulit kay Di Guzman. Muntik pang lulusog. Heavy traffic. Bigay sa gitna. Kayago. Nakawala. Sablay. Natapik. Napulot yung jersey number 2. Give it up by Dilona. Dumere diretso. Iniwan si Di Guzman. At ayan, inbound goes to jersey number 20, Di Guzman, given up by Lumibaw. Pass ulit kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman ngayon. Pass sa plan. Sa plan. Given up again. Palaganas. Dinadalawa. Bigay kay Kayago. Sa gitna. Umiko. Then jump. Ayan. Basket is knockout. And then foul on jersey number 30. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 30. Barbosa, then third team foul, and signing foul, given up again, ball, Kayago, atake, Sablay, and then Palaganas for the rebound, umikot, natapik, at nasungkit, at ibinigay na ulit kay Dilona ngayon, sasagasa, slice in the middle, pasa, at hindi nakunin ni Dilona. That's a turnover para sa Barangay Binalay. And signing foul on Lubibaw. Followed by Saplan. Saplan orchestrating the play. And then it's creating by Lumibaw. Have it dropping. Giving up again. And then one handle shot. That's a lucky bounce. Headed by jersey number 16, Kayago. Ayan. No good. At bigay sa plan, Di Guzman fires from 3. Sablay. And then rebound on jersey number 8. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Atake dire-diretso. And there's the result. Sables, time out. Yung dalawa sa Kalbag, dalawa yung number 19 daw dyan. Palaganas at saka si Saplan. Ayan. Ay.
Technical man. Technical lang ko technical. Sikat na lang mga uniform.
Okay, technical. At hindi pwedeng pagsabayin po yung parehas na number, mga kaibigan, ha? Iwas technical po tayo. And then Barbosa from the 15-point line. First, Nugget. At ayan na po yung pretro ni jersey number 8, Barbosa. First, Charity. Nugget. Pokis, brother. Second shot by Pokis. 80 out. And then rebound. And then foul. Followed by jersey number 30, Barbosa. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 30, Barbosa. Pedlawan. Setting the play. Inside pass. Penetrate. Pero may sumapit na foul. Headed by jersey number 77. Sabrat. Karsada Barbosa out. Mejia Barbosa in. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 77, Karsada. And then Palaganas from the 15-point line. First, it's a yes. And remaining time 4 minutes and 49 seconds on the first quarter. Score 8-6. 2-point lead on Barangay Binalay. Second Charity. 2 out of 2. Headed by jersey number 19, Palaganas. And then Dilona down the ball. Given up by Pokis. Launches for 3. Malakas. Aya. Save. Sample pa rin. So Brett. Sinong papalitan ni Mr. Nibado? Ayan, Kayago out. Another Sobreb. At ilalabas muna si Lumibaw. Papalit din si Bugayok. Aya. Tinera, Sablay. And then rebound, Palaganas. Iba na ang matangkad. At ayan, Libado na naman atake. Inside pass, Di Guzman launches for 3. Sablay pa rin. And then rebound. Ayan. Nabitawan ni Mr. Pokis. Another turnover para sa Barangay Binalay. And Zain inbound, Bugayong, given up by Pedloan. Pedloan, kinukulit. Pasa ulit, ni Guzman ngayon, orchestrating the play, bigay sa ilalim, Bugayong. Umararo, penetrate, supply, rebound pa rin. Ayan, mapupunta sa Barangay Binalay basketball. Another surprise. Di Guzman, out. Ayan, pinasok na si Murano. Uy, ang the plus ng Barangay Calbag. And in the ball, given up on jersey number 2, followed by Pokis. Pokis ngayon. Setting the play, given up again. And then steal para kay Pedluan. Pedluan ngayon, kinukulit at bigay kay Bugayong. Bugayong ngayon, nandyan na. At siya nang may tangan ng mula, kinukulit at bigay na naman kay Palaganas. Palaganas, Araro, bumipirada. Ayun, yes, para kay Palaganas. Using the glass. Dilona. At ayan na inside pass para kay jersey number 10. Looking for receiver, pasa sa gitna. One-handed shot, sablay. And then rebound again. Libado, grounds to Pedluan. Pedluan nandyan na nagmamadali. At binigay na. Murano ngayon. Atake, given up by Palaganas. Palaganas, slicing the middle. In and out. Palaganas pa rin. Ayan. Pero may foul. Hadn't foul again. Para kay jersey number 2. And the timeout on Barangay Binalay. Yan. We'll be right back after this break.
Talpakan lawan.
Minutes and 32 seconds on the first quarter. The score po natin 9-8, 1 point lead on Barangay Calbag. At lamang na ang Barangay Calbag. And Palaganas from the 15-point line. First shot short. And then second through para kay Palaganas. Ayan, display charity. And then inbound goes to jersey number 8. Pongis headed by jersey number 3, Dilona. Kinukulit ni Murano. Ayan. Given up again on Pongis. Back to Dilona. Dilona, atake, heavy dropping. Bigay sa labas. Launches for 3. Short. And then napulot pa rin. And then fake. Atake, slicing the middle. Malakas. Dilona again for the rebound. Hoy! Muntik na. Pero foul headed by jersey number 18, Bugayong. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 18 on Bugayong. And then second team foul in Dilona from the 15-point line. First shot, not good. And then second two, followed by Dilona. Split charity. And side inbound goes on Libado, followed by Morano. Given up on Bugayong. Bugayong ngayon, bigay na naman Morano. Long two. Oh, that's a lucky bounce. Yes, sir. Ang daming pass naman ni Morano. Still na naman. At ayan na naman, inagawan. Ayan na Mamaril ngayon, may kangang bola. Mamaril. Heavy traffic, bigay sa gitna. Barbosa, supply. Uy! Save! Ayan, stepping on the line. And in some rep. At sino papalitan ni Mr. Solomon? Bugayong, out. Solomon in. At ayan remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds on the first quarter. And Zaniban by Solomon, given up by Bugayong. Ayan, Bugayong looking for Temens, given up again. Palaganas, Bibirada, and one. Ayan, and then foul, followed by Basil's count on jersey number 18, pushing foul. And then Palaganas, follow shot. And Palaganas, bonus free throw. Para kay Palaganas. Ayan. 80 down. And then rebound, Pokis, given up on Mamaril. Mamaril ngayon, kinukulit ni Morano. At ibinigay ulit from the long distance. Airball! Solomon. At bigay kay Bugayong. Bogayong ngayon. Ahay, muntik pang inagaw. Ayan, symbol pa rin. And side inbound, give it up again, Bogayong. Looking for Timmins, followed by Solomon ngayon. Ayan, good. And then Morano. Morano, ayan na aatake. At bigay na naman Bogayong. Sablay. Pokis for the rebound. Inagawan. Natapik. Ayan, symbol pa rin. That's last on jersey number 8. Pokis. Inbound Bogayong. Pasa sa ilalim. Palaganas. Talaga naman si Palaganas. Inuubos yung mga players sa pinalay. Ayan, and then foul on jersey number 8. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 8, Pokis. And then Palaganas from the 15-point line. First two. Yes. On jersey number 19, Palaganas. And then last two, headed by jersey number 19 again. Palaganas ulit. Yun, tapos, and then rebound, number 18, Tumamaril. Fast break, Dilana. AC basket. Bogayong. Given up by Solomon ngayon. Have a topic. Back to Bogayong. Morano. And then jumper. Nugget. Ayan. Say. Ahay. Ayun, mapupunta na ulit sa Barangay Binalay Basketball. Official score pa natin, 15-11. Lawan pa rin ng Barangay Kalbag. Ayan, penetrate. No good. At agawan. Pass ulit. Dilona, inside pass. Happy dropping. Pasa sa ilalim. Muntik pang magaw. Dilona. At ibinigay na naman. Ay! In and down. Sayang. At ayan na, Morano. 1 minute and 28 seconds on the first quarter. Morano, muntik pang maagaw. Morano, tinuloy na, supply. And then rebound by jersey number 10. Pass break na naman. Nandun si Solomon for the steal. Solomon ngayon. At bigay ulit kay Morano. Followed by Palaganas. Umatake. Yes, sir. Para kay Palaganas. And ball on jersey number 8, muntik pang magaw. At binigay ulit kay jersey number 8, Pokis ngayon. Orchestrating the play, then dribble the ball. Ayan na, sasalaksak. Pasa sa ilalim. At hindi nakita ni jersey number 11. Sayang. 1 minute and 2 seconds on the first quarter. Morano ngayon, may tanga ng bola. At ayan na, didiskarte, pasa ulit sa ilalim. Ayan, fake, bigay ulit, jumper, Morano, in and out.
Ubos.
Ayan ha. And then foul, jersey number 11. Sabrat. At sino? Number 11, Barbosa out.
Ubos mo yan.
Barbosa in. 51.4 seconds on the first quarter. And then Palaganas again from the 15-point line. First Charity. Sablay. And then last two para kay Palaganas. 80 down. Rebound on Pokis. Ayan na, nagmamadali Pokis ngayon. Ayan, napaka-libre para kay Mamaril. Ayan. And then Nibado to Bogayong. Given up again by Morano. Followed by number 24, slicing the middle between Morano pa rin for the rebound. At have a traffic. Bigay kay Solomon. Ayun, Nibado, nakawala, libre. Yes, para kay Nibado. And then Nibado, Barbosa, followed by Dilona. At bigay kay Mamaril. 24 seconds. Dilona yan. Ayan. Have a traffic, balik ulit, balik kay Dilona, and then long to jumper, not good, rebound on Bogayong, 15 seconds, and then steal, para kay Mamaril, 10 seconds, Mamaril, bigay na naman, and then using the glass by Kasama Pangpao, followed by jersey number 18 on Bogayong. Ayun. May bonus shot pa. Si jersey number 18, Ayan, 8.1 seconds ang nalalabing oras dito sa first quarter. Bonus shot na kompleto. And bound by Solomon, given up by Solano. Ay, Morano. Ayan na, jumper. Sablay. End of the first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, kada laro po, may matatanggap po yung best player of the game po natin, ha? Kada laro po. May medal po yung kada laro, may matatanggap na medal yung best player of the game. Okay, start on the second quarter. At ayan, he says, given up again. Followed by, given up all. Balik na naman. Heavy traffic. Ayan, kinukulit. Bigay sa ilalim. Bogayong, bitin. Agawan, rebound by Pokis. Pokis na dyan na nagmamadali. Pokis ngayon at lumiri diretso. Pero may nasungkit na foul. Headed by jersey number 14. Serve. AC. Colonel Isit. Sir Colonel Isit ang nakapaul on jersey number 14, ha? And then Pokis from the 15-point line. First. No good. And then second two. Barangay jersey number 8. Pokis. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Penetrate. Wala. And then Pedluan for the rebound. At ayan na Pedluan nagmamadali. Looking for receiver, given up again. Penetrate, and then rejected. Pass break, and then steal para kay Sir Esid. At ayan na naman ulit, aatake, muntik pang maagaw. Ayan na naman, aagawan na naman ulit. At naisalba pa ulit. At bigay na naman, and then steal na naman ulit. Ayan na nagmamadali. Focus ngayon, up and away. Yes. And down on Bogayong ngayon. Looking for receiver, given up by Pedluan. Pedluan, kinukulit ni Mamaril. At naibaba yung bola. Ayan na, Pedluan is slicing the middle. And then jumper in and out. Kalabit rebound by Bogayong. Ayan, kinukulit pa rin. Bogayong, jumper, wala. Agawan na naman, nandiyan na naman ulit si Bogayong. Bogayong na naman ulit. Inside pass. And then fires from 3. Wala. And then rebound. At ayan na naman ulit. Nagmamadali na naman. Para kay Delana. Wala pa rin. Sir Esid for the rebound. At bigay na naman ulit. Bogayong ngayon. Orchestrating the play. Given up on Padilla. Dribbling the ball. Umikot. Ayan. Kinukulit. Heavy traffic. Bigay kay Sir Esid. At ayan na naman. Pasa sa ilalim. And then steal para kay jersey number 16. At binigay na ulit. Ayan na Mamaril. Up. Yes. Para kay jersey number 3. Mamaril. Chance favor po tayo. 1 point lead on Barangay Binalay. Score po natin 2019. And then Pedluan, give na bagan. Padilla launches for 3. Short. And then Pedluan, no good. Airball. At ayan naman Bogayong ulit. Kinukulit. Bogayong sa ilalim. Penetrate. Ay, symbol. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Magandang laban po ang ating pinapakita ng dalawang barangay. Dikit ang score. And then foul. Headed by jersey number 16. And then Colonel Esid from the 15-point line. First. Nugget. Reserve. And then second shot headed by Colonel Isit. Wala pa rin. Tinapik. And then rebound. Number 77. At ibinigay na kay Pokis. Pokis ngayon. Aatake. Pasa sa gitna. And then penetrate. Wala. Save. At tama na naman kay jersey number 16. Bigay na naman. Balik na naman ulit. At ayan, 10 seconds to shoot. Pokis again. Price of 3. Wala. Ay! Nako. Kitang-kita. Si Mr. Jersey number 3. Ito ngayon. Subrat. Pedluan out. At sino?
Sinong papalitan mo to? Padilla po.
Padilla out. Sa flat in, ha? Kayo. And one. And then basket is gone. Another foul headed by jersey number 3, Bugayaw. Ay, sinong papalitan? Dalawa yung 19. Dalawa yung 19. Hindi pwedeng magsabayan. Akala ko si 19 ang papalitan. Ayan. And then bonus shot para kay Cruzada. And it down, Bugayong. Rebound. Pasa. Talaga naman. Another turnover. Symbol. Ayan. 5 minutes and 43 seconds. And side inbound para kay corner is it given up by Saplan. Followed by Bugayong. Inside pass. Digosman. Wala pa rin. Rebound na naman ulit. Saplan ngayon. Inside pass again. Ayan. Kinukulit. Shoot. And then jumbo. Wala. Agawan na naman ulit. And then rebound number 7. Inside pass. Break na naman. Ahay! At hindi na nakuha ni jersey number 3, Mamaril. Ayan. At ilalabas sa plan. Given up by Colonel Isin. Followed by Bugayong. Balik na naman ulit guys sa plan. Sharing the play. Pass to Colonel Isin. Long to jumper. In and out. Agawan pa rin. At agawan na naman. Ayan pa rin. And there's a whistle. That's a foul. Headed by jersey number 19, Saplan. Sabrep. At sino papalitan ni Mr. Lumibaw? Corner is it out. And then Lumibaw in. Remaining time 5 minutes and 13 seconds on the first sub. Inside rebound to Mamaril, given up by Pakis ngayon. Orchestrating the play. Fires of 3. Bang. 3 points. Digosman, given up on Lumibaw. Pass ulit on sa plan. Back to Lumibaw. Pasa kay Gayago, umatake, short, and then rebound. Ayan, ginugulo, at binigay na kay Dilona. Tupokis ngayon, slicing capital, using the left, wala, Gayago po the rebound, at inaagawan. Hindi nakaagaw. Ayan na naman ulit, Saplan na naman, nagmamadali. Saplan, aatake. In and out, ayan, agawan, dalawa nila, at bigay na naman ulit. Lumibaw, ginugulo, muntik pang masungkit, Gayago, Digosman, 4-3, wala pa rin. And then pass break na naman ulit kay Mamaril, nandyan na coast to coast, bitin Digosman for the rebound, given up again para kay Bugayong. Pass ulit sa plan, bigay kay Gayago. Gayago, jumper, short, rebound na naman. Ayan na si Mamaril na naman ulit, aatake na naman. Ayos, easy 2 points. And then Lumibaw, buntik pa. Ayan, ginugulo pa rin. Sa plan is spreading by Lumibaw. At ayan, bigay na naman rin. Another steal again. At ayan na Mamaril, looking for the pass na naman. Jumper. That's a lucky bounce. And then timeout. Barangay Calvo. Yung mga basura po natin dyan, yan, yung mga kumakain ng mga ano-ano dyan. At ilagay natin sa top 19 10-point lead para sa Barangay Binalay. Ayan, si Lumon. Given up again. Ayan ni Bano. Pass to Digosman. Digosman sharing the play. Bigay na naman. Ayan, natapik na naman ulit. At ayan na nagmamadali. Bigay naman. Dilona, lilipat. Yes. Digosman inbound pass. Break na naman. At bigay na naman. Ayan na. Ni Bano lulosop. Sinuloy-tuloy. Bitin. And then rebound by jersey number 77. Kinukulit. Uy. Ayan. At hindi na napulot ni Cruzada. Ayan at magandang laban mo mga kaibigan And side inbound goes to jersey number 20 Digosman, given up by Morano ngayon, ayan, iniikot-ikot pero binabantayan, muntik na naman. Ayan pa rin, nandyan si Solomon for the rescue. Solomon ngayon, atake. At ayan, looking for defense, given up. Ayan pa rin, and then still, pass break na naman. Ayan, medyo Ayan pa rin. At inagawan na naman. Ay, naiwan. At ayan pa rin. Kinukulit. Anday Morano for the steal. Morano yun nandyan na. Morano atake. And the long to jumper. Wala. Rebound again. Tigos. Man! Yes, sir! 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And side it back. And then jersey number 6 given up again on jersey number 30. Ayan. Orchestrating the play. Barbasa. Number 77. Inside pass. Then inside jumper. Wala. Murano for the rebound. Ay, uy. That's your troubling violation. At hindi na naipasa. Ayan, Barbosa ngayon. At siya ang maglalabas. Knockout play, balik na naman. Inside pass, Benomba. Wala. Palaganas for the rebound. At pass break na. Solomon 2 and 1. Kumire diretso. Pero may sumabit na foul. Headed by jersey number 6.
Paano papalitan mo?
Si Arjun pa, yung nagpe-free throw po. Reserve lang sa observe.
Okay, and Solomon from the 15-point line. First charity. Yeah. Ayan na, score po natin, official score 31-22. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Binalays. And the remaining time, 2 minutes 15 seconds. Second shot, Sablay. And the rebound on jersey number 30. At siya na ang magbababa ng bola. At ayan na, didiskarte, inside pass, Dilona jumper. Yeah, that's a long 2 points. Libado, give it up on Morano. Pasa kay Digosman. Digosman, balik kay Morano. Sending the play. Ayan, then dribbling the ball. Nakawala. Ayan, lumusog. One-handed shot. So good. Agawan, then rebound again. Ayan. And then again. And then foul number 30. Sobret. Solomon out. Bugayong in. Elbow. Libado. Looking for Tibbets. Bigay sa gitna. Sa labas. Digosman. Sablay na naman. Rebound. Inside pass. Inside jumper. In and out. Rebound pa rin. Fake. And then jump. In and out. Pero may foul on jersey number 25. And then timeout on Barangay Binalay. Okay, get ready. Butaw versus Talos Batang. Kayo na po ang susunod na maglalaro pagkatapos ng Barangay Kalbog and Barangay Lupa. Don Pedro. And then second game po natin, bracket B. Barangay Kabatling versus Barangay Locopsor. And then third game po natin, bracket C. Barangay Lunag versus Barangay Locopsor. And then last game, bracket D. Tabo Sili versus Barangay Pulong. Yun po. Ay, Palong. Palong pala. Bonus shot. Sablay. Ayan. And then give it up again on jersey number 6. Inside pass. Pasa sa gitna. And then steal on Bugayong. Bugayong give it up by Morano. Morano kinukulit ni Dilona. Ayan din. And then headed foul on jersey number 7. Dilona. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 7 on Dilona. At Bugayong ngayon, orchestrating the play, looking for Tibbets, inside pass. Pasas kay Palaganas. Ibirada. In and out. And then rebound passing in. Ayan na. Jersey number 6, orchestrating the play by Dilona. Dilona pa rin. Pasa na naman. And then Dilona. And then jumper again. Logon, short, rebound. Agawan, Morano for the rebound. At ayan na, Morano. Siya na ang nagbabanag mula. Muntik pang natapalan, pero napulot pa rin. Morano pa rin. At ibinigay na Bugayong ngayon, lilipat, and there's a whistle. That's a foul headed by jersey number 8, Pokis. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 8, Pokis. And then Bugayong from the 15-point line. First charity, Nugget. And then second shot, followed by Bugayong. Yan, split charity. And then again inbound, followed by Dilona, pass again on Pokis, and side chopper, yes! Para kay jersey number 11, easy basket. And then inbound, given up again by Bugayong, ayan na kinukulit, and then naagawan pa, Dilona, at bigay na naman, at balik na naman, and then chopper, lebre, that's a lucky bounce. And then technical foul on jersey number 24, unsportsmanlike and behavior. Labas po kayo dyan sa pedestrian, technical po yan. And then first through. Yan, pasok. Subrep. At mapupunta pa rin sa Barangay Kalbong Basketball. And bound goes to jersey number 20, Guzman. Given up again by Morano, kinukulit. Ayan, Morano. At siya na ang nabababa. Bigay naman kay Bugayong. And side pass. Lebre. Beautiful pass. And then beautiful shot. Headed by Bugayong. And Pedluan, 50 seconds. Dilona, pass ulit. Launches for 3. 80 down. And in at the big. Pedluan for the rebound. Given up again. Bugayong pass break kay Digosman. Digosman ngayon. Running shot. Yes, sir. Para kay Digosman. 38 seconds. And then inbound on jersey number 6. Given up by Dilona. Pinas ulit. And then save. Ayan na atake. Bibigay na naman kay Mejia. Didiskarte. Ayan. Bigay sa ilalim. Ayan. Umaatake. Ayan. No good. Palaganas for the rebound. And then Bugayong ngayon. Pass break na naman kay Mora. 20 seconds. Ayan na. Bigay na naman. Bugayong ngayon. Heavy traffic. And then running shot. Wala. Kalawin rebound. Napitay. Ayan. Pedluan. Digosman fires some 3. Bang. 3 points. Ayan na. 5 seconds. Okay, and on the purse up. Official score po natin, 38-31. And then start on the second half. Score po natin, 38-31. In favor of Barangay Pinalay. And then inbound. Ayan, orchestrating the play, Mamaril, given up on Pokis. And side pass. Stand back. Bang. 3 points. Tables time out. And Digosman headed by Morano. Back on Digosman. Pedluan atake and side jumper. Nugget. Kayago. Digosman fires in 3. Bang. 3 points. And side inbound again on jersey number 77. And then given up on Mamaril. Back to jersey number 77. Tumbera. Wala. And then Digosman for the rebound. Digosman ngayon. Given up on Morano. Inukulit. At ayan, dribbling the ball. Heavy dropping. Given up again by Pedluan. Pass to Digosman. Balik kay Morano. 10 to shoot. Morano ngayon. Bigay sa gitna. Kayago. Aatake. Binomba. In and out. Ahay. Sembal pa rin. Catch na on jersey number 77. Barbasa. Ayan, Morano. Ayan ko rin. Kinukulit. Morano. Looking for teammates. Digosman. Lebring again. Another for 3. Sablay. And then rebound again. At ayan na naman. Pokis nakawala. Using the left. Yes. And Pedluan. Followed by Morano. Morano ngayon. Pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman looking for Timmons. Given up ball. Pedluan. Pedluan na rin. To Morano. Morano pa rin. Pasa na naman ulit. Ay 8 seconds to shoot. Slice in the middle. Beautiful moves. Para kay Pedluan. Yan pa rin. At binigay kay Mamaring. Mamaring down the ball. At bigay Pokis launches for 3. Aiming down. Kalawit rebound by Palaganas. At ibinigay na Pedloan ngayon. At siya na ang nagbaba ng bola. Pasa na naman. Bigay na naman kay Di Guzman. Lebre na naman. Ay sablay. And then rebound again. And then foul. Followed by jersey number 20. Di Guzman. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 20, Di Guzman. And remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds on the third quarter. At bigay na naman, Barbosa, given up, Barbosa for 3. Short. Ayan, mapupunta sa Barangay Calbog Basketball. Ayan, Morano ngayon, kinukulit ni Dilona. Pero nakawala. Ayan na naman. Nakawala naman. Running shot. Oh, that's a lucky bounce on Morano. At bigay na naman Dilona ngayon. Offensive foul. On again. Jersey number 7. Dilona. At ayan, Pedluan, siya na ang maglalabas. Given up by Di Guzman, balik ulit kay Pedluan. At ayan na, Pedluan aatake na ulit. Ayan, slicing the middle, binomba sa fly. Rebound by Palaganas, kinukuyong. No good. And then Barbosa for the rebound. At ibinigay na nandun si Morano for the steal. Ayan na Morano, aatake na naman Morano. Ayan, nabitawan ni Morano. At mapupunta sa Barangay Binalay Basketball. Sabrep. Ayan, nilalabas muna Morano out. And then Labaw ay lumibaw in. Mamarin. Pasa ulit. Barbosa fires from 3. Sablay. Pedluan for the rebound. Pedluan ngayon. Kinukulit pa rin ni Barbosa. Pasa naman kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman may tanga ng bola. Looking for Timmons. Pasa sa ilalim. Palaganas. Umararo. Yes. On Palaganas. And then inbound Barbosa. Given up again by Dilona. Pasa na naman ulit. Ayan na atake. Heavy dropping. Kamaril. Balik kay Dilona. Launches for 3. Wala. Rebound by Pedluan. Pedluan. Kinukulit. At bigay kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman ngayon may tanga ng bola. Ayan. Bigay na naman, Pedluan is slicing the middle, using the left, in and out, and then Cayago for the rescue. And then time out on Barangay Binalay. And the remaining time 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Score po natin 43-42. Barangay Binalay.
Lagay mo yung bola game shop.
Okay, back to the action. At yung mga nanonood dyan at kaway-kaway lang po. At mayroon tayong vloggers na nandito. Makikita po tayo sa buong
Ilagay mo dun sa cup.
mundo.
Ka lang, mamaya pa.
Yan, si Mr. Moto Kids, vloggers.
Dadrive kita.
At si Mr. Vloggers Petit Nipol. At si Apple Alcarado. Yan po ang ating mga vloggers na nandito sa Barangay Bulawit. And there's a Rizal.
Hindi ka binabanggit. Kilala. Ha? Nauna ka lang.
And then technical on jersey number 19.
Botok eh.
Yan.
Si Daniel ay wala eh. Busy siguro. Ha? Busy siguro. Busy.
And Mamaril from the 15-point line. Yan, sablay.
Beauty queen. Vlogger beauty queen lang nasa lalay ngaran. Ha? Beauty queen lang. Beauty queen lang. Kala ko ito beauty queen.
Delona jumper for 3. No good. At ayan, rebound. Rebound given up by Pedloan. Pedloan. Judy foul. Headed by jersey number 3. Sabrep. Ayan, sino papalitan? Jersey number 3. Ay, 7. Ayan, out. At mabalit si jersey number 6, Delona. Ayan, dikit po ang ating laban mga kaibigan. 43-42, 1 point lead on Barangay Binalay. Digosman, fires of 3. 3 points. Ayan, change paper po tayo. Lamang na ang Barangay Calbon. 45-43, slicing the middle, face to face. Yes, para kay jersey number 30. Yes. At ayan, Pedloan ay inagawan ng Lobo. At ayan na, mamaril na naman ulit. 2 and 1 is slicing the middle. Yes, sir. At ayan pa rin naman, balik na naman ang kalamangan dito sa Barangay Binalay. Muntik pang maagaw. At Pedloan siya na ang nagbubanag mula. Pedloan ngayon, inside pass to Palaganas. Palaganas ngayon, Araro. Na there's a result. That's a troubling violation. And then Sabrep. At sino pamalitan at ilalabas mo na jersey number 00. And then followed by Wibugayog. Another Sabrep. Barbosa out. At papalit ulit si Mr. Mejia. And then inbound goes to jersey number 3 by Mamaril. Given up on Mejia, back to Mamaril. At ayan na. At siya na ang nagbabanag bola. Mamaril ngayon aatake na naman. Ayan na Mamaril. Pasa sa gitna. Mejia. Ayon. Bibitaw. Wala. Rebound pa rin. Pero at hindi na naisalba. Mapupunta na sa Barangay Calbon Basketball. 3 minutes and 37 seconds on the third quarter. And Zainibal Bugayao given up by Lumibaw. Taas ang net. Bugayao. Orchestrating the play. Looking for Tevez. Ayan, Kayago. Umararo. Oh, that's a turnaround shot. And then jumper. Yes, para kay Kayago. At ayan pa rin para kay Mamaril. Didiskarte. Bigay kay Pokis. Pokis ngayon. Orchestrating the play. Dribbling the ball. Ayan. Aatake sa ilalim. Ayan na. At my foul. Headed again on jersey. Number 19, Palaganas. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 19 by Palaganas. And Saniman Mejia fires from 3 on Mamaril. 3 points. At inilabas ulit para kay Lumibaw. Given up by Bugayao, back to Lumibaw. Lumibaw ngayon. Paasa na naman on Digosman. Bigay kay Kayago. Kagayago. Araro naman. Heavy dropping. At Lumibaw. Atake. Reverse bitin. At agawan na naman. At napulot pa rin ni Kayago. Then to shoot. Ayan Palaganas for the rescue. Yes. Ayan Pogis. At ibinigay na. Delona goes to Mamaril. Mamaril ngayon. Orchestrating the play, given up by Mejia. Followed by jersey number 6. Kinukulit. At bigay na naman ulit on Barbosa. Long 2 jumper. In and out. And then Kayago for the rebound. Kayago ngayon. At bigay na naman. Bugayong. Paasa kay Digosman. Digosman. Running shot. In and out. Nataping. Rebound by Mamaril. Mamaril ngayon. Kinukulit. At ayan na Mamaril. Atake. Paasa na naman. Mejia. Yes. Para kay Mejia, 2 minutes and 15 seconds on the third quarter. At ayan pa rin by Lumibaw. Lumibaw ngayon, kinukulit pa rin ni Delona. And again, timeout on Barangay Calbon. At ang ating nalalabing oras dito sa third quarter, 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Score po natin 52-49. Lamang po ang Barangay Binalay. At dikit po ang ating laban, 52-49 in favor of Barangay Binalay. Ayan, bigay sa gitna, Solomon, no good. And then rebound again by Solomon, pass ulit. Ayan na, Murano na bitawan. At ayan na, nagmamadali naman ulit. Barbosa ay Mamaril ngayon. At may foul na nasungkit, followed by jersey number 20 on Digosman. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 20 on Digosman. And then inbound, Mamaril goes again. Long, no good. At rebound. Para kay Palaganas, headed by Morano. Morano ngayon. Di Guzman fires in 3. No good. Palaganas for the rebound. Pero may sumabit na foul. Headed by jersey number 3, Mamaril.
Guzman. Sir. Guzman. Sir.
That's your second personal foul on jersey number 3, Mamaril. Then second team foul, Palaganas from the 15-point line. First, yes na yes. And then second two, Panagay, Palaganas. And in out, rebound, Sulumon, another in out, Palaganas, wala pa rin. Yun na naman para kay Palaganas. Iba na talaga ang matangkad. And then inbound goes on Mejia, followed by jersey number 3, Mamaril, bigay kay Cruzada. Cruzada ngayon kinukulit at pasa na naman ulit kay Mamaril. Mamaril atake sa ilalim. And then again, that's a foul, headed by jersey number 28, Sabret Guzman out, Bagayong in. Remaining time 1 minute and 26 seconds on the third quarter. Get ready, Butao, Versos, Talos Batang, Delona, inside pass, inside jump, good, Kalawin rebound, and then pushing foul, headed by jersey number 8. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 8, Pokis. And then inbound Bagayong, followed by Morano. And then Morano down the ball. At ayan na, Morano pa rin. Looking for teammates, given up by Sulumon. Pasa sa ilalim. Bigay kay Nibado. Binomba. Kapos. And then rebound, ayan na. Pokis ngayon, nagmamadali. Ayan na, dire-diretso. Yes, sir! Para kay Pokis. And then inbound, para kay Nibado, given up by Bagayong. Headed by Morano. 50 seconds. Ayan, Morano pa rin. May tanga ng bola. Kinukulit. Bigay kay Sulumon. Sulumon. Pass ulit kay Palaganas. Ahay! Ayan. And it's a rep. Ayan, number 8. Pokis out. Barbosa in. And side inbound goes again by Mamaril. Jersey number 3. Followed by jersey number 6. Delona back to Mamaril. Mamaril ngayon. May tanga ng bola. At ayan. Orchestrating the play, then dribbling the ball by Mamaril. Pasa sa ilalim. Ayan, reverse. Nice one. Para kay jersey number 11. 30 seconds. At ayan, dikit po ang laban. 56-52 ang ating score. 4-point lead on Barangay Binalay. Morano kinukulit. Ayan, natapik at dinobol din na. Mejia ngayon, given up by Mamaril. Mamaril pa rin at binigay na. Cruzada. At ayan, 15 seconds. Nice in the middle. Bitin. Ayan. Ahay. Symbol pa rin. 11.1 seconds on the third quarter. At ating score na naman ay 56-52. Apat lang ang abante ng Barangay Binalay. And then inbound, Mamaril, given up again by Mejia. At ayan, nasungkit na. Tama-tama kay Cruzada. Uy! Talaga, apina.
Martan, ibabara, Martan.
Morano for 3. Wala. At ayan. And on the third quarter. Nasa fourth and final quarter na po tayo. At last game po natin, Butao versus Talos Batang. At ayan.
Buka na, boss.
Apat lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Binalay. 56-52. And then inbound, Pedluan, given up again by Morano fake. At bigay ulit ni Guzman from downtown. Bang! 3 points. At ayan pa rin, Mamaril. Cruzada. Bigay sa ilalim. Pero at hindi na-dissipate with jersey number 6. at mapupunta sa Barangay Calbog Basketball. Handbound by Pedloan. Looking for receiver. Given up by the Guzman. Back to Pedloan. Pedloan ngayon. Orchestrating the play. Then down the ball. At ayan sasagasa. Nakawala. Beautiful moves. Door-to-door shot para kay Pedloan. And then Cruzada given up by jersey number 11. Followed by Mamaril. Mamaril ngayon. Aatake. Pero binabatehan pa rin ni Morano. Mamaril. Arian kinukulit. At looking for teammates. Muntik pang bagaw. Cruzada. At bigay na naman number 6 slicing the middle using the glass. And in down Kalawin rebound by Pedloan. Ayan agawang boko. Pero may jump ball na mangyayari. Symbol pa rin. Ayan symbol. Position arrow. At inbound again, Gonzaga, given up again, jersey number 6, given up by Pockets from downtown, wala, and then Morano for the rebound, given up by Saplan ngayon, at bigay na naman, Digo Sigman, running shot, bitin, dalawa pa sila, buti na lang nandun si Morano, at bigay kay Pedluan, jumper, no good, and then rebound by Pockets, pass break na naman by Cruzada ngayon, 1v1, Omicron is slicing the middle, and one. And in foul counts again para kay jersey number 20 Morano. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 20 Morano. And again para kay Cruzada, bonus Pedro. Bonus shot. Kapos. Para kay jersey number 8 Pockets for the rescue. And side bound goes to Pedluan, followed by Morano. Pero may foul na naman again, headed by jersey number 8 Pockets. That's your fourth personal foul on jersey number 8 Pockets. Warning for graduate. And then inbound Pedluan, headed by Saplan ngayon, may tangan ng bola at bigay kay Di Guzman, balik kay Saplan heavy traffic, bigay sa labas, fires in 3, short, and nandyan na tapik at napunta kay Mamaril ngayon, atake, ayan na, side step, no good, rebound pa rin, Pockets, wala, agawan, ayun na, napulot pa rin ni Pockets ngayon, at bigay na naman, Mamaril fake, and then jump, using the glass, in and out, Morano for the rebound, at ayan, Morano, at bigay kay Pedluan nandyan na, sasagasa, pero binabantayan pa rin ni jersey number 11, bigay kay Morano, from the long two, wala, ahoy, and there's the whistle, that's the foul, headed by jersey number 16, kay Yago, sabrek, at ayan, ilalabas, sino? Direk Dilona, out, Pockets out. Greg daw, Greg. Labas mo na. Okay. Mamaril. Setting the play. Mamaril pa rin at bigay na naman Dilona, given up again, Cruzada, aatake, and again inside pass, inside jumper, short, and then rebound, wala pa rin, another rebound again, umaararo sa ilalim, penetrate, yes! Then timeout on Barangay Calbog. Official score po natin, 62-57 ang ating score. Dikit ang laban. At ang ating oras na natitira, 7 minutes and 45 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. Okay, back to the action. At ayan, yung mga basura po natin dyan at ilagay dyan sa malaking ating trash can dyan. At yung mga naihi po, mayroon po tayong CR dito. And inbound, Pedluan goes to Morano. Morano ngayon, back to Pedluan. Pedluan inside pass, Di Guzman from downtown, back. 3 points. And then pass break na naman, Dilona ngayon, atake fake, and then jumper, Binomba, wala. Ayan na naman ulit para kay and headed by jersey number 7. That's a foul on jersey number 7, Delona. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 7, Delona. And then Pedro on inbound goes again by Morano. Morano ngayon, orchestra ni Mapri. Ayan, naka-screen pa rin si Bugayong. Hindok ulit at bigay kay Bugayong. Bugayong! And there's again. That's a foul headed by jersey number 30. Barbosa. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 30. Barbosa. And then inbound by Pedluan, looking for receiver. Pasa kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman na naman at nabitawan pa. At ayan na naman, Mamaril ngayon. Aatake, then running shot, Mamaril bitin. Bugayong for the rebound. Bugayong pasa na naman. Munting na. Nandyan, Cruzada. Ayan, that's a stepping on the line headed by jersey number 77 by Cruzada. At hindi na naisalba. Ayan, ang ating score po ay 62-60. Dalawa na lang ang abante ng Barangay Binalay. At ang ating nalalabing oras po ay 7 minutes and 6 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. Morano ngayon. Ayan, good pa rin yan. Kinukulit pa rin ni Barbosa. Ayan, naibaba. At then again, headed foul on jersey number 11 para kay Barbosa. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 11 on Barbosa. At dikit po ang ating laban mga kaibigan. Maganda ang pinapakita ng larong dalawang barangay. Barangay Calpog versus Barangay Binalay. Dikit ang laban. And then Cruzada steal. At siya na ang nababa. Cruzada. Inside pass. Then running shot. No good. Rebound pa rin by Barbosa. Binitin is good. Para kay Barbosa. Inbound Pedluan. Goes to Di Guzman. Back again by Pedluan. Pedluan ngayon. At ayan. Kinukulit pa rin. Bigay kay Morano. Epitropic. Ayan. Kinukulit. Ahay! At may jump ball na mangyayari. Send ball. At ayan, mga kaibigan, last game po natin ay Butao versus Taros Batang. At ayan na naman, Pedluan, give it up again, Palaganas, Araro Sablay, and then rebound again, at Pinas break na naman, nandun na naman, at ayan, Delona from downtown, 3 points, and Bugayong. Bigay kay Morano, give it up by Bugayong. Bugayong ngayon, may tangan ng bola. At ayan na Bugayong, lilipad using the left. And then rebound. At ayan na, Barbosa ngayon. At siya na ang nagbaba. Barbosa atake, one-handed shot. Yes, sir! And Di Guzman, bigay kay Palaganas. Palaganas, give it up again. Pedluan ngayon, atake sa salaksak. Reverse, fitted. And then rebound at the make. Ayan na, Palaganas ngayon. Penetrate. Wala pa rin, Palaganas na naman. Pero may foul na nasungkit. Headed by jersey number 11. At sinong papalitan ni Mr. Nibano? Ilalabas muna si jersey number 18, Bugayong. Walis sakay. Penalty. Ayan ay umabanti ulit sa siyam na puntos ang hahabulin ng Barangay Calmog. And then Palaganas from the 15-point line, first serving, no good. Matagal pa yan, 5 minutes and 55 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. And then second shot headed by jersey number 19 on Palaganas. Is played Charity. Barbosa inbound, give it up by Barbosa. Barbosa ngayon, setting the play. And then down the ball. Ayan, looking for Clemens, give it up by Cruzada. Cruzada, back again to Mamaril. Pasa ulit sa gitna. Ayan, umaatake. Bigay na naman. Then jumper. Wala. Rebound on Libano. At bigay kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman, give it up again by Pedluan. To Morano. Long two. Sure. At rebound pa rin ni Morano. Morano yung kinukuyog sa ilalim. Ahay! Ayan. And there's a result. That guy's stepping on the line. Ayan ha. Iba na talaga yung si Morano. Siksik. Ayan. At bigay ulit Mamaril ngayon. May tanga ng bola. Mamaril bigay naman ulit. Cruzada fake. Slicing the middle. One-handed shot. No good. Rebound pa rin. And then put back. Yes. Para kay Cruzada. Inside rebound goes again by Penduan. Given up again by Libado. Ayan na Libado. Nagmamadali. Libado ngayon. Up and away. Yes sir. At Barbosa. Bigay kay Dilona.
63-71.
Dilona ngayon. Ayan. At siya na ang magbababa ng bola. Dilona pa rin. Given up again. Pay. Aatake. Ayan. Using the left. Yes, para kay Mamaril. Pedluan. Given up again by Morano ngayon. Kinukulit pa rin. Ayan na naman. Kinukuyog. Bigay kay Pedluan. Bigay kay Di Guzman. Di Guzman fires from 3. Wala. Libado again. Uma Araro. Nabitawan. And then steal by Mamaril. Judy Pau. Headed by jersey number 20. Di Guzman. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 20 by Di Guzman.
Paano sa sila Dukay, di daw makalabas yung sakyan nila, nakaharap daw yung mga president sa may gate nila.
At yung mga tricycle po doon na sa harap ni Madam Dukay at hindi sila makapasok, paalis po yung nakaharang doon sa kanilang daanan, mga kaibigan. 8 seconds to shoot. Yes sir. Para ulit. Yung mga sasakyan po sa harap ni Madam Dukay, paalis po at dadaan po sila. At ayan, Pedluan, given up by Di Guzman, followed by again, Nibado nakawala, reverse, beautiful moves, para kay Nibado, at ini-reverse pa. And then inbound goes again on Barbosa. 3 minutes and 55 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. And then Cruzada. Balik ulit kay Barbosa. Orchestrating the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Multing the clock. At bigay ulit. Balik na naman. Delona from downtown. Wala. Agawan. Rebound by Pedluan. Oy, nasungkit. At symbol pa rin yan. And then time out on Barangay Binalay. Binalay. Okay. And then inside the Penluan given up by Lumibaw. At bigay ulit kay ayan na Penluan. Medyo again. Medyo masikip. And then foul headed by jersey number 7, Delona. Nasa penalty na po ang Barangay Binalay. That's your fourth personal foul on jersey number 7, Delona. Warning for Radwin. And then Pedluan from the 15-point line for serving. Yes. 75-66 ang ating score. 9-point lead para sa Barangay Binalay. Second shot by Pedluan. 2 out of 2. And then inbound, Mejia. Given up again by Delona. Pass ulit kay Pokis. Given up 2. Barbosa bigay naman. And there's a result. That's a foul headed by jersey number 6, Lumiba. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 6 by Lumiba. And then inside the foul goes again by number 7, Delona. Followed by number 6, Delona. Back again by number 7, Delona. Headed by Mejia. Balik ulit kay Delona. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayun. Buti na lang. At kumain ng pilis si Commissioner. And then so prep. Alis to. Laga. At ayan na, papanipis na po ang ating oras mga kaibigan dito sa fourth and final quarter. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. And then inside about Penluan, given up again by Padilla. Balik ulit kay Penluan, pasa kay Morano from downtown. Wala, rebound, Nibado, Araro sa ilalim. Ayan, nabitawan, sensor pa rin.
Next game pre. Butawatan talos patang.
75-67 ang ating score in favor of Barangay Binalay. At ang ating oras ay 3 minutes 8 seconds. Long to jumper, wala. And then rebound again para kay Pokis. Ayan na Pokis ngayon, nagmamadali. Ayan, aatake. Ay! Yun. and in out, and then foul, followed by jersey number 28, Morano. That's your third personal foul para kay Morano. And then Pockeys, jersey number 8 from the 15-point line. First Charity. Yes. Three minutes exactly ang ating oras, mga kaibigan. And then second shot para kay Pockeys. Short rebound on Nevada. Looking for receiver. Bigay kay Pedluan. Pedluan ngayon. Kinukulit. Have a traffic. Ayan, nagharap ng pamasan. Back to Pedluan ngayon. Slicing the middle. Pero may foul on jersey number 6. At ayan, si jersey number 99, Pedluan, mapupunta sa pedestrian. At unang retro. Sablay. And then second shot on Pedluan. Yun, split Charity. Ayan na. And now, Barbasa. Gabi na po. Delona back to Barbasa. Bigay ulit Mejia. Mejia ngayon. Balik naman kay Pockeys. Followed by Delona. Delona, muntik na. At ayan, Delona orchestrating play. Ayan, natuloy na. Still by Padilla. Bigay na naman ng Libado. Medyo mataas ang pasa. At ayan, Delona bigay na naman. Cruzada. And yun, offensive foul. And by jersey number 18. Ayon na technical tuloy na naman on jersey number 18. Yan. Resetment to a call para kay Mejia. 2 minutes and 24 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. Labas po tayo lahat dyan sa pedestrian. At technical two para kay Balaganas. Ayan, pasok. At ayan, mapupunta pa sa Barangay Calmon Basketball. And then time out on Barangay Calmon. Akan kaway luganan di mana Arab nan Madam Dukay ay pikal unit na undalan si Madam Dukay. Dito na Arab niya tay abong yata na ini.
Salamat eh.
Parang na mo may kera may plate number.
At yung sasakyan dyan na nasa harap ng bahay, kung sinong may-ari, pakialis muna. At dadaan yung may-ari. Ayan, Morano. Morano pa rin, kinukulit. Bigay naman kay Pedluan. Pedluan is slicing the middle. Beautiful shot para kay Pedluan. Ayan. Ay, 5 na lang ang hinahabol ng Barangay Calmon. 76-71. And then Mamaril bigay ulit. Ayan, they enter the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. Mamaril, yes sir. Sobrang. Ayan, sinong lalabas ni Mr. Libano? Sinong papalitan? Okay. Ayan, and bound goes to the Guzman, followed by Morano. Morano yun. Kinukulit ni Delona. At ayan na, ibababa ang bola. Morano, nasa kanya pa rin. Morano pa rin. Ayan na. 8 seconds to shoot. Pedluan. Morano fires of 3. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Ayan. Ayan, official score for natin na 78-73. Ayan, Morano, nakawala. Ayan, sinigurado na. Yan. And then time out on Barangay Binalay. Magbabalik po tayo pagkalipas po ng ilang patalastas. Okay, back to the ball game. Score po natin 78-75. 3-point lead on Barangay Binalay. At ang oras po natin, medyo matagal ba yan? 1 minute and 24 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. And bound goes to Mamaril, given up by Dilona, pass to Mamaril. And then foul headed by jersey number 16, Cayago. Both team are on penalty. Ayan, both team are on penalty.
Dinoble nyo na lang ito. Hindi na yung bag.
Dikit po ang ating laban mga kaibigan ha. At napakagandang laban po ito. Walang kukurap. And then Mamaril from the 15-point line. First Charity. Pasok. Ayan. Nasa penalty na po ang bawat kupunan ha. Pasok na sa penalty both team. And then second shot headed by jersey number 3 Mamaril. 2 out of 2 on Mamaril. And then bound kay Yago, given up by Pedluan. Pedluan ngayon, ayan na, sasagasa na naman Pedluan. Bitin, put back kay Yago, wala. Another jumper, wala pa rin. And then rebound by Delona. At ibinigay na, ayan na focus on make out. And then rejected, ayan na naman. And there's a whistle. That's again. And then foul number 20 para kay Morano. That's your fourth personal foul on jersey number 20, Morano. Warning from Bradwick. And then Pawis from the 15-point line for serving short. Ayan na, at umakyat na yung ano ni Palaganas kasi pagod na rin yan. Babad sa laro. Yan. At ang dami pang bantay. Kung hindi isa, tatlo. Yun. Second shot. Yes, para kay Pawis. At ayan. And then foul again. Followed by again jersey number 11, Delona. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 11. Delona. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Ang nalalabing oras dito sa fourth and final quarter. First shot para kay Morano. It's a good. And then second two. Morano, 80 down. Cruzada for the rebound. Looking for teammates, given up by Delona. At ayan na Delona, binaba ang bola. Ayan, orchestrating the play, then mounting the clock. Given up again, Mamaril ngayon, orchestrating the play. 10 seconds to shoot. And then jumper. Yes, sir! Ayan. And then using the glass. 44 seconds. At ayan, Pedluan na naman ulit. Ayan, naghanap ng papasan. Bigay kay Digos Banz from downtown. Oy! That's the foul. On again para kay number 77, Cruzada. That's your fourth personal foul on jersey number 77, Cruzada. And then first shot para kay Di Guzman from the 15-point line. First, good. And then second, air ball. At isa pa, tatlong free throw yan. Mayroon pang isa. Remaining time, 37.3 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. Pangatlong free throw, pasok ulit. And then inbound on Cruzada. Give it up by Dilona. At ayan, atake na naman ang Lauren. Ayan pa rin, Dilona umiikot-ikot. Pasa na naman, bigay na naman. 28 seconds, yes sir! And then inbound again. Pass break na naman, steal by Mamaril. Mamaril orchestrating the play. And there's a result, that's a foul headed by jersey number 20, Di Guzman. 23 seconds remaining time for the fourth and final quarter. And then from the 15-point line on Memorial, first shot, no good.
28-85 in favor of Benalay.
And then second two, headed by jersey number 3. Yes, display charity. At ayan, Morano. 20 seconds. Morano pa rin. Minabantayan. Ayan, kinukulit. And then from downtown. Wala. Rebound pa rin. Ayan, Libado. Pero may nasungkit ulit na foul. Headed by jersey number 3, Mamaril. Both team are on penalty. And then Libado again from the 15-point line. First, Sablay. 12 seconds remaining time, 12.1 seconds remaining time on the fourth and final quarter. And then second through, Barakay Libado. Another in and out rebound pocket, and steal by Kayago. Agawan, Libado ulit. At ayan ulit. 5 seconds. Dilana. And out the game. Okay, seconds po tayo, guys. Ayan.